Alright, good morning neighbors. We got a few merch orders last night. Let's go and drop this off at the post office. Get started with today's video. Guys, does anybody else's backup camera not work for the FRS? It was so weird. Ever since I've installed the carbon fiber trunk like years ago, my backup camera stopped working. It just does not want to work anymore. I don't know. Has it ever happened to you guys? Let me know down in the comment section. As you can tell, we have a new quick release on the FRS. This actually came off of the 2022 BRZ. We're throwing on the FRS right now because the one I had on the car was so freaking crusty. It was just old and like nasty, so had to swap that out. Got the brand new leather renown wheel. So nice. Little sneeze. This weather is so nice right now for the boosted FRS. Nice and cold outside, so the car feels freaking great. We'll do one little pop to wake everybody up. Alright guys, whoever placed an order with the hoodies, your order is on the way. And yeah, let's get some food because I'm hungry. Gotta get some breakfast before we start today's install. Can I have a 4 number 4s? And we'll get one order of the seasoned potatoes. Dude, the freaking honey butter chicken biscuits are so good here for breakfast. You guys gotta try it. Dude, this brings me back right now. Me and Kai, if you guys remember, I'm pretty sure you guys remember Kai. He had the green, like the dark green turbo FRS. Always had him in the channel. He was like one of my closest friends. Oh man. Oh shoot. Dude. A lot of you guys always ask me like, where did he go? Like, how come he's not in the videos anymore? He actually joined the military, so he's not in town anymore. He's out of state, which is sad, you know. We don't get to see Kai. I don't get to see Kai anymore, like every single day. We actually met through working at Pizza Hut. So I used to work at Pizza Hut. I used to like deliver pizzas for them. We met through there, became car friends. He eventually got an FRS. And yeah, we always used to go to freaking Wendy's, like before an install or after an install. We always hit up Wendy's, and this is our spot. So this one right here, I haven't been to Wendy's in a while, so this one right here goes to Kai. Look at that, guys. Chicken biscuit with some honey in it. So fire. This is what we're working with today for the STI. Wow, this is a lot of hoses. So yeah, as you guys can see right here, this is an IAG air oil separator for the STI. Now we did the same exact mod on the red WRX that I had about a year ago. Serves the same purpose for the STI. But yeah, essentially what an AOS is, or an air oil separator. If I'm gonna be completely honest, I don't know down to the details exactly. I'm gonna be honest, I'm not gonna claim I know everything about this because I don't. Essentially, from what I've heard, is this catches oil in this can right here before that oil goes into places that it shouldn't be. It's pretty much like a safety mod, and one of those things that you do to WRXs and STIs just for the safety of the motor. I don't know if that made sense, but I tried my best. To be honest, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to finish all of this today, because as you can see, there's over 6 hoses, connectors, and clamps everywhere. So luckily IAG has a super detailed YouTube video. This is not going to be a how-to install. It's pretty much going to be me trying to install it on my STI. Yeah, if you guys want a detailed video, I will go ahead and leave that link down in the description below. IAG has a super good one, like I said, it's super detailed. And yeah, let's go and get started. Jim from IAG, that's a good man right there. Thank you so much for this video, dude. That was like a whole bunch of 12mm bolts. Now we'll do these 2 hose clamps. Alright, so to be honest, I'm scared of doing all this stuff. There's a lot of hoses. The cool thing about doing like scary installs is once you learn, literally you know how to do it forever. It's like the cool thing about it, like once you do it, then if you have to do it the next time, it's like a piece of cake. You already know what to do, the ins and outs of it. If there's ever something that you're trying to do or that you're scared of, you should just do it. Guys, the STI is looking like a beauty right now. But anyways, we got the air oil separator right here in the corner, as you guys can see. Fully installed. It was a pain, but yeah, we finally got it installed. First of all, sorry if I look sick right now. My allergies just like it gets to me when the weather changes. It's been raining here in San Diego, and all of a sudden it's just like warm today, so my sinuses are all messed up. But anyways, I wouldn't say it was easy, but it wasn't like really hard at the same time. The hardest part of the install was putting the freaking intercooler back on the car. It is so difficult getting the freaking turbo hose back on the turbo. Now it's that red hose right there, but under that hose there are these like black lines from the AOS. So I was literally doing that for, I want to say 3 to 4 hours. The hardest part of the install, literally. But we got the AOS in. Everything is working fine, I believe. Yeah, we got one more thing. An intake. Ooh, got 2 plate frames from Grimmspeed. So from all the parts that we've gotten from the WRX, I believe the BRZ, a lot of companies send out license plate frames in their boxes. Yeah, we got Grimmspeed, got Airlift in the wrap vault, got some more Grimmspeed plates, Tomei, Faction Fab, Subaru Irvine, where I got the WRX, stickers, Lonzo Work, Lower Class Garage, video coming soon, Racer X, MBRP, AWE, Cobb, Tomei badge, Irvine Subaru, where we got the BRZ, IAG, Varus, whole bunch of Tomei stickers, even more, IAG, Cusco, Varus, more Cobb. Dang, lit lights, you guys are an OG if you guys know where this is from. And yeah guys, I believe I have more somewhere else, but dude, look at all these stickers. All the companies, all the parts that we put on the cars over the span of like a few years, so I guess that's like my little sticker collection. Oh yeah, can't forget Delicious Tuning, which got completely sidetracked. But anyways, here is the Grimmspeed, as you can see, Stealthbox Cold-Air Intake for the 2015 to 2021 STI. This is gonna replace this entire ugly stock setup right here. This thing takes up so much space. It's gonna unlock more turbo noises. I remember when I did an intake install on the red WRX that I had, it sounded so freaking sick. Made a whole bunch of sick turbo noises. Overall, this is gonna make the car sound better as well as breathe better. Oh look, we got more stickers to add to the collection. Take off the stock map sensor from the intake. Plug this. Look at all that space. Moving on to the new Grimmspeed one. So in the video they said to mark 1 inch inwards, like around here, for the filter to go on. So pretty much they said you don't want to push it too far in, because something with the function of the filter. So when you push the filter in, you know where to stop. Got 1 inch. Mark it right here. Intake install success. Looks so good there, nice and subtle, nothing's really like sticking out or popping out. But yeah, it's pretty sick. Matches with the rest of the red in the engine bay. You do need a tune, so if you put an intake on your car, you're obviously gonna need a tune. We got it right here. Graham over from Boosted Performance sent us a new tune for the intake install. If you guys haven't been up to date with the videos, Graham over from Boosted Performance has been tuning the STI with all the mods that we've been putting on the car continuously. You know, we got the catback exhaust as well as the catted downpipe that we installed. After we installed the downpipe, he went ahead and tuned it. Car feels amazing, and obviously as you guys saw, we installed the intake right now, so we're gonna need a new tune with the intake. Change map successful. All right guys, first startup with the intake. Let's see how she sounds. Let's see if you guys can hear it on camera. Like over there. Little turbo noises. We do have a bypass valve coming very soon as well, so we're gonna have even more turbo noises. Honestly, I want the noises more loud, so with that bypass valve, it's definitely gonna open that up. But for now, we got a little intake noise. Guys, this car sounds so freaking good. Dude, I love the way this thing sounds. It does feel quicker, and I feel like the pops are louder. Graham put a little bit of pops and bangs like in between shifts and stuff, and on downshifts. Dude, I feel like they got louder after the intake. I don't know if I'm tripping or not, but Dude, this car feels freaking good. It sounds good. I cannot wait till we put the bypass valve on for even more turbo sounds. What do you guys think? Let me know down in the comment section below. I think it sounds freaking sick. Shout out to Jason for getting those rollers. He just got some clear tails too. Just stopped at In-N-Out, about to grab some food. I'm freaking starving. Dang, look at those clear tails. Guys, we desperately need to wash our cars. It's been raining here so much. Maybe we'll do a little wash vlog soon. This car's so dirty. We picked up some new wheels for the FRS. Now, I don't know if I want to put it on the FRS or the BRZ, but we had to pick it up because, dude, I've been trying to find these wheels for so long. Can't show you guys yet. Stay tuned for that video, but I'll go ahead and show Jason. Check the wheels out.
Oh, shoot. Dude, they're deep.
They're big, huh?
It looks so good.
I haven't showed them yet, but...
You finally got them.
I know. Dude, they're wide, though. 18 by 11, I think negative 35.
Full chrome?
Nah. Should I put them on the FRS or BRZ?
You should test it on all of them.
All of them?
Yeah. You should test it on all of them just to see what it looks like.
Alright guys, we have reached the end of today's video. That was super fun. You know, we got the intake on. Sounds so good, but like I said, we got the bypass valve coming soon, so we're not done yet. But so far so good. The intake sounds good. You know, you can hear a little bit of the turbo. But dude, I just want to tell you guys, we have a lot coming for the STI. I just got a shipment in of parts. I think you guys are gonna like it. Actually, I'm just gonna spoil it. So we're bagging the STI very soon. I need your guys' help though. I want to put one of the cars on coilovers, and that is either the FRS or the BRZ. I don't want all the cars to be on bags, so that's pretty much why. I've been honestly kind of leaning towards putting the FRS back on coilovers. I've been wanting to make that car more of like a functional setup, because we did get some new wheels for it. I haven't showed you guys yet. So, you know, like I said, I've been wanting to rebuild that car as a whole. So maybe like a more functional setup in coilovers, or should we go back to coilovers on the 22 BRZ? It's a hard choice. I don't know, but honestly, I've been leaning more towards the FRS. Yeah, it kind of works out because the FRS and the STI share the rear suspension. So I can literally swap the bags over. I just need to get some front struts for the STI, which I already have on order. So yeah, let me know down in the comment section below, what car should we go back to coilovers? But yeah, we're bagging the STI soon, and we have to put the new wheels on, a whole bunch of other parts as well. So I'm super excited, and I hope you guys are as well. Since we're bagging the STI, if you guys reached this far in the video, let's put that little air emoji in your guys' comment. I love doing this thing. It's so freaking fun, and it's so cool seeing all the emojis in the comment sections. If you guys are one of those, honestly, I appreciate it so much. But yeah, I'm gonna edit this up, get this posted for you guys ASAP. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and with all that being said, I hope you all have a good one today. Make it a good one. I'll catch y'all later.